It's a very hard feeling to be excluded from anything, especially when you don't understand why.
You just feel so isolated and so separated from the people around you, even when you're not trying to be.
Technology has definitely made connection significantly easier. The biggest thing that is lost is the emotion, because you can't really tell what somebody is intending based on just characters.
It's so easy to forget there's another human being on the other side of the keyboard, on the other side of the screen.
It's the role of us as young people to start figuring out how we can make those connections positive.
It's important to see that everyone wants love.
The biggest step is just reaching out, more people being willing to open up.
It just reminds us we can do something that seems so small for us, but it can have such a big impact on someone else.